Hello students, in the last class we had studied about the structure of the interior of the earth. Today we will study the same topic in details. Now let's see what is crust. Students, the uppermost layer of the earth's surface where we live is in solid state and is called the crust. Now observe this diagram which I have shown you over here. What does it shows? It shows the interior of the earth. What does it shows? Interior of the earth. Now children, this part, can you see? This part is the crust. Okay, what it is? This part is the crust. Crust has two layers. This is continental and this is oceanic. What is this? Continental. And what is this? Oceanic. Okay. Oceanic is covered with water, means this part of the crust which is called as layer is covered with water. Understood till here? Yes. Now we will study more in details about the crust. Okay. The thickness of the crust means the thickness is this part. The thickness of the crust is not the same everywhere. You can see there is variation over here. Okay, there is variation in the density and therefore it is called as Conrad discontinuity. What it is called as? Conrad discontinuity. Understood? So the thickness of the crust is not same everywhere. So therefore there is discontinuity and the average is around 30 kilometers. How much? 30 to 35 kilometers. Understood? Now the thickness of the crust below the continent, this is the continent part. Okay, the thickness of the crust below the continent is around 16 to 45 kilometer. How much? 16 to 45 kilometer. Now children, let's see. These are the mountain ranges. What are these? Mountain ranges. 40 kilometer under the mountain ranges and then 60 kilometer under the ocean. These are the oceans. So when we move deeper and deeper, okay, when we move deeper and deeper under the surface, the temperature increases. What happens? The temperature increases. Now children, when you move deeper and deeper, there is a variation over here, and when you reach to the core again, what happened? Again the temperature increases. Understood? So now next we will study more about these two layers, that is continental and oceanic. Okay, but before that I will explain you what is this part called as lithosphere. This part you can see over here, this is called as lithosphere. Now what is lithosphere? How this part came? It is because of crust and the upper mantle. What? Crust and upper mantle, which is also called as atmosphere. What it is called? Upper mantle is also called as atmosphere, and together lithosphere is formed. Understood? Now next comes to continental crust. What is this? Continental crust. Now see, the layer of the rock which forms the continent. Okay, what is called as the continent crust? The layer of the rock which forms the continent is called as continental crust. Next see, it is composed with the elements like silica and aluminium. So it is made with the silica and aluminium. Students, this layer, okay, was also known as sial before. What it is called as? Sial, because of its high proportion. Because of what? The high proportion. The density of continental crust is 2.65 to 2.90 grams per cubic centimeter. The thickness, you can see here, the thickness of this is approximately 30 kilometer. And which rock is found here? Granite. Okay, you will find granite rock in continental crust. Now next we will move towards the oceanic crust. Okay, this part is the oceanic crust. This is the second layer. What it is? second layer of the crust, which is called as oceanic crust. It is made of the elements silica and magnesium. Okay, which element? Silica and magnesium. We have seen here. Here it was made of silica and aluminium, and here it is made of silica and magnesium. Okay, and was earlier called as SEMA. What it was called as? SEMA. Here it was called as Sial. Understood? So students, here you find which type of rock? Basalt and gabbro. Okay, where you will find in oceanic. So here we have completed with the crust. What we have completed with? The crust. So today we will stop here, and the remaining part we will continue in our next lecture. Okay, please do the exercises and the assignments which have been put. Thank you.